Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get music mode to work with Govee. So the way I do this, okay, is due to the setup that I'm running. So I'm running a 2 floor lamp plus 1 backlight setup. This over here is the Govee TV Backlight 3. Now, the stem of all this starts with the Govee Home app. So make sure you have the Govee Home app installed. And it's going to look like this. Afterwards, you want to make sure that all your Govee devices are connected to this home app. So in order to do that, you just want to click on the plus button. And as you can see, it says scanning nearby devices, and your nearby Govee devices should appear here, and then you just simply click on add and follow the prompts. So as you can see here, I have my 2 floor lamps connected, and then I have my Govee TV backlight. So in order to actually have it get music mode to work with, what you're going to do is you're going to start with the TV backlight. The TV backlight is the stem of getting all this to work. And now once you're accessing the TV backlight, what I like to do, and again, there's multiple ways to actually do this, is I like to click on Movie Watching Dream View. And so Movie Watching Dream View is just a really neat way to actually sync all your lights together. So in order to sync the other 2 floor lamps, I click on Manage the Device and then tick on the other 2 floor lamps here. So make sure those are ticked on. Basically, any devices that you want synced up to all together, it's going to appear here, and you just have to tick the box on or off. Afterwards, you want to toggle on Dream View. And so as you can see right now, the lamps are turning on. It's taking for a couple seconds for them to connect. So now the floor lamps and my backlight are connected all together. So now the last thing is to actually have it go sync with sounds. So on the movie view toggle page, okay, the page that looks like here, you want to scroll down and then toggle on the sound effects tab. So as you can see now, all the lights respond to the sound that I'm saying. So it's responding to my voice. So if I play music, all the lights are going to go along with the music. And again, this is just one way to actually have the lights respond and affect with what it's hearing in via sound, or basically having your Govee TV lights and floor lamps sync with music. So again, this is just one way to do it. I personally do it this way, and I find it to be a lot better just because the lights are in sync. It's really, really easy. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. And again, if you're interested in a setup like this where the 2 floor lamps and the backlight, that's the setup that I'm running, I'll leave a link to these down below in the description.